What is up, fellow people of the internet? It's your boy, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, back at it again with another exciting unwrapping. Today, we got ourselves an extra exciting one, because in here, we got ourselves a very, 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 very rare, awesome, sought-after piece. And I'm happy to know, after many years of collecting, I now have this piece in my collection. Now, fair warning, this is going to be what do you call it? I don't know what was shown in the picture as far as the front graphic goes, so we're gonna see if the mugshot is in immaculate condition. Hopefully it is. If it's not, we're gonna try not to beat ourselves up for it too much. But in here we got ourselves a pretty mint freaking XXL black tag mugshot kill hoodie with the white kill hand. Anyways, let's get into it. Let me start opening this. Well, there's some, like, you can see it, it comes off on that side. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a second without further ado. All right, we've ripped it, but unfortunately it didn't rip much, so I gotta rip it some more. Okay, it's in another package, it seems. Okay, yeah, definitely in another package. So check it out. We got a double layered. Got this from Japan. There it is. Oh my gosh, there it is right there. Just make sure nothing else is inside there. Okay, cool. Now to check it out, all we gotta do is remove this tape. All right. Oh, remove this tape. This is the way. There we go. Oh, last piece of tape, ladies and gentlemen. One-handed unwrapping. Never mind, gotta put you guys down for just a second. There we go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna scoot it out in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, right off rip, there is some damage on the front graphic, as I was expecting, right here. And a little bit right there. But not to fret, it looks very clean besides that. Let's go ahead and open it up to get that kill hand the least amount of folding as possible. So overall, the front is pretty dang clean, except for this mark right here, this tiny mark right there, and like right there, and maybe right there. But overall, very clean with the front. I'm pretty damn happy with that. The inside is not as soft as I was expecting. But let's check out the sleeve text, ladies and gentlemen. The sleeve text. Looks like we got ourselves a little stain right here. Puff still looks like it's pretty together for the most part. There's some cracking, but what can you say for a 7-year-old piece? Okay, or at least the time of this recording. We got the metal eyelets to confirm it's a independent bling. And then right there, the black tag, XXL. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the moment of truth, the condition on the kill hand. Without further ado, here we go. Oh my God, it's great. I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Cracking isn't that crazy. We got some cracking going on right here. Right there. Right there. But overall, clean condition. Very clean. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. It's a freaking XXL. It's gonna fit so oversized. It's gonna be perfect. Oh my gosh, puff is clean though. Flat, but clean, not cracked like crazy. It's very nice, guys. I want to check out that mugshot one more time. Check out that mugshot, guys. Almost 10 out of 10. Overall, clean condition. Just that little scuff right here, but hey, can't complain. Very nice. Very nice. Now with the two versions, before I let you guys go, 2 versions. With this, with the white and, white kill hand. There's also another version with the black puff print with the black kill hand. And out of the 2, gotta say, this one I feel way more. I like this one way more. Let's check out if it's got the, oh, it does. It still has the independent tag. It's not cut off. Very cool. Very cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. New proud owner right here. BVF Collection signing off.